Hi, I'm Chef John and today I'm going to show you how to cook tuna fish. Tuna is a great source of protein and is very versatile. It can be cooked in a variety of ways, so let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to prepare the tuna. Start by rinsing the tuna under cold running water. Then pat it dry with a paper towel. Cut the tuna into cubes or strips, depending on how you plan to cook it. Step 2. The next step is to season the tuna. You can use a variety of seasonings, such as salt, pepper, garlic powder, or herbs. Rub the seasonings into the tuna and let it sit for a few minutes. Step 3. Now it's time to cook the tuna. You can cook it in a variety of ways, such as grilling, baking, pan frying, or poaching. For grilling, preheat the grill to medium-high heat and lightly oil the grate. Place the tuna on the grill and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until it is cooked through. Step 4. Once the tuna is cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to cook tuna fish. For more cooking tips and recipes, be sure to check out my website.